So in our last tutorial, we talked about we created a single space document, which ended up being a memo from the single space template that we had found that was already installed on our computer by default. This time we're going to go find a different template. So we're going to find a template on the internet. So click File, New, takes us back to our new screen. And in this bar, we're going to type Annual Report. An annual report is something a company may publish to its shareholders, explaining how the year went, their financial um, kind of position, how much money they might have made, um, who the employees are. They want to persuade the shareholders to hold on to their stock. They want to persuade the shareholders that they have a good company. And so we can look for a template to use to create this for our shareholders. So if we type in annual report and click the little start searching button, I ended up with two choices. I have an annual report red and black design, and I have an annual report or business report graphic design. Let's see if I can. I'm going to type something else up here. I don't really like what it's giving me. Let's see. Annual report. Timeless. See if it's anywhere. Nope. Microsoft may have taken this one out. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on, let's see, annual. We're just going to click on this first one, annual report, red and black design. So we're going to, it's downloading my template, and now it opened it. I'm going to close this navigation bar. And so we have a nice, we actually have a pretty nice looking document. And what we're going to do, we're going to realize that these are actually like placeholders. So in our company name, so our other letter, the first letter we typed was Tech Terrace, and we are a real estate agent. So let's pretend that we still work for Tech Terrace, and we're going to put Tech Terrace Real Estate. Ooh, we're going to make our longer. There we go. So we can make this box longer, this placeholder. Tech Terrace Real Estate. And further into the curriculum, we'll figure out how to make templates, how to put placeholders in. But for now, all we have to do is type it in, and we need to know how to expand this box in case our text is too long. So Tech Terrace Real Estate. And we can go through and we can customize everything. When you use a template, you need to make sure you have customized every single thing that you possibly can. Because if you end up with the email and you haven't customized it by putting in your own email here, email address, someone's going to realize this is a template. And that won't be very professional looking if you just leave it here. You either need to delete the placeholder or you need to put your email address in. But it's a pretty long document. So what we'll do, we're going to save it. So we put our company name in here. We're going to go File, Save As. We're going to save it in that same folder, your student folder if you're in my class. Annual report. We're going to leave the name. And if you notice, this was a template. And it's automatically, since it's set to be a template, when I go to save it, it's automatically going to try to save it as a plain old Word document that I can come back to and manipulate. It's not updating the template information. It's only saving it as a regular document. So let's save it as a template. So Word template. And click Save. And now you've actually, this will be in your template from now on. Okay. Let's see where we saved it. File, Save As. And I'm actually going to go find a different place because I told it to save. Oh, okay. It defaulted. If you look up here, it defaulted to a different place. It says David Clore. It says Documents. And then Custom Office Templates. That's what we want it to be. Instead of in our student folder, we want custom Office Templates. Click Save. Then we're going to close that and then close these other documents we've been working